VIKISHUB. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different from what I usually do, and that is reviewing. Alright, I'm going to be reviewing some of the items I got from a shopping website called SHEIN, right? So SHEIN is basically a shopping website, and they have like options of items at a very affordable rate. So I wanted to try them out because of the prices I saw, to know if the things or the items would just be as the displayed picture in their website. So I'm just going to dive into it, and I'm going to review this first. So this is one of the items I got options. So I already unboxed most of the items I got because I just couldn't wait. I was too curious to wait to make a video or to film while I was doing it. As soon as it came, I just tore the packets open. So I'm hasty like that. So this is a matching set of jewelry. This is necklace and an earring, and it looks just as same as I saw it in the website. I'm gonna pop up a picture of what it looked like on the website. It's just as shiny, alright, and it doesn't feel so flimsy. Like, it's a bit sturdy actually. And actually I was a bit disappointed because I was hoping this was gonna be like, it's gonna fall a little, but this is like a choker. Alright, it's not as long as I wanted it to be, but it's just as pretty and sturdy as I imagined. Alright, so I was actually shocked at the quality because of its sturdiness. Alright, so but it fits like a choker and it's shiny. What more could you want? Alright, so, and this is the matching earrings. So sorry I don't have my ears pierced, so I can't really try this on, but it's also just as sturdy and shiny. I have a really bad camera, so you guys can't really see just as much shiny as it is. Alright, so this is what the earrings look like. It's basically just matching earrings. So I'm gonna say this is probably, I'll give this like 9 out of 10 because it's really sturdy, more than I expected it to be. And the price was just 100 and something rupees or 200 and something rupees. I'm going to make sure I leave a link of the product as well as the prices on the screen because I have to check for the prices later. Alright, I can't remember the prices, but they were really affordable. The next item I'm going to review is this bag. Alright, so I'm also going to bring a pop-up to show you guys what it looked like on the website. And I don't know how to feel because it's really quite small, and I read a lot of reviews that said it was really small, but I didn't know it was this small. So it came with this tie. I think I have to fix it on. I already started trying to fix it on before I decided to make a video, and it came with this I think crossbody hand. I don't know what to call this, right? So I'm gonna start fixing this and probably hope that the beauty comes out because for now it just looks so flat and has no shape and really small. So I'm gonna try complete fixing it and we'll go from there. So this is what I was able to come up with, like in the, I don't know, this is a very weird bowl, but as for the material, it's really better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was really gonna be too flimsy, but it's not for the price. I think it was 300 and something rupees or 200 and something rupees. I'm gonna insert the price on the screen, but the quality is quite good. I think I'm just gonna put something in it just to give it a shape because it looks too flat. Alright, so yeah, this looks better, and I tried putting this on. I actually noticed that it looks better just like this. With this just makes it look really cheap because the crossbody handle or something is quite flimsy. Alright, it really makes it look cheap. So when something is in it, I noticed it looked better. So for the material, I'm gonna give it 8, but without anything inside, it looks really shapeless and flat. So the quality is quite good for the price. I think this is gonna last for a really long time, even though it was really cheap, right? And the buckle is just, it's really easy. It's to just, you just rotate it and it opens or locks. And this is quite small. My phone couldn't even go into this, right? So I did put one of the things I got for review, and it was, I was having difficulty closing it, but yeah. So in summary, your phone can, and this can contain your phone unless your phone is really small, right? But as for the material, it's quite good. Yeah. So without the crossbody thing, it looks better, and you have to know how to knot this to make sure it looks fair. Yeah. So that's it for this. So the next item is this dress. I'm just gonna try it on and show you guys, but the material is quite stretchy, like super stretchy, and the color is really same, like as same as it was on the internet. There's no change or difference in color, and the material is quite okay. The hands is a bit flimsy though. I'm scared this is gonna cut, but it has an adjustable hand, which is super cool. So I'm gonna try this on and just show you guys what it looks like on me. Alright, so I'm gonna say I'm loving this. I didn't even know it was gonna fit me this good. So because it was really stretchy, it was able to fit me. This is in, I took size medium, which is usually my size anyway. So, but I really love the fitting and the material. Since it's very stretchy, I think even a bigger person than me can also wear a size medium. And the length is quite okay. I'm a bit sad though that if I'm working, it keeps going up, like it keeps dragging up. It doesn't just stay put there. And I was hoping this was a bit longer though, but it's not. So, but that's it. The stretchiness is what I really like the color also. Everything is just as it was on the website, and I'm really grateful for that. So yeah, and to my surprise, it's also not transparent at all. Like it's not transparent one bit. Let me just adjust. Yeah. So it's not transparent one bit, which is really good because most of the time, clothes like this they tend to be transparent, but this is not transparent as I thought it was gonna be. So yeah, I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10 because it didn't fail me at all, and the hand is also adjustable. I mean, that's really good. So the next item on here is this. So basically, it spells out babe. So this is quite shiny, alright? It's quite shiny, but in my opinion, I think it looks cheap. Like if I see someone wearing this, I can tell maybe it's a little bit cheap. So I'm just gonna try it on anyway, but it does look pretty. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's really shiny, right? I wish I love it so much. I don't really love it so much, but I don't know how I feel about it really, but it does shine, and in my opinion, is a bit flimsy, it's a bit cheap. All right, so I got this for about, I think, 200 and something rupees. I'm just gonna leave the price again on the screen there, and this is gold. Is a bit light of gold, little light gold. Let me just use that word. So it doesn't feel heavy. It's a bit light and a little bit flimsy, especially around here. I feel like it could break at any point or at any moment. So I'm just gonna give this 5 out of 10 because I'm not really a fan of the flimsiness. All right. So the last item is this. This is a necklace and a bracelet. All right. It came in a set. All right. This is the most flimsy of all right. Like it's really delicate, really delicate, and it's already tangling up. See, all right, this is already tangling up because of how flimsy and delicate it is. All right, so this is what it looks like when one. It's okay, it's not that shiny, it's just all right, especially because of the price, right? It's just okay. So I'm gonna suggest, if you're getting something like this, is better to maybe try to protect it, maybe with a clear color spray paint, or with nail polish, clear nail polish, just to preserve it a little bit more. And it's better to keep repeating it to just make sure that it doesn't wash out or tarnish so soon. But this really is, I don't know, for the price I guess is okay. So I'm gonna give this 5 out of 10, and it came with a matching bracelet as well. I prefer the bracelet. All right, the bracelet is a bit less flimsy and a bit more shiny. I wish I have a nice camera but it's really pretty. Let me try it on and show you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is much better than the necklace in my own opinion. I'll give the bracelet 8 out of 10, but it will still be nice to try to preserve this because it feels like it's gonna tarnish really soon. And it's adjustable, right? It's also adjustable. It has several holes, so it's easily adjustable. And the lock is a bit flimsy. All right, I feel like this is gonna break really soon. But aside that, I prefer this compared to the necklace. So I'm gonna give this 8 out of 10 because I feel like it's really pretty and it's a bit shiny compared to the matching necklace. So yeah, that concludes my this review video. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And I have an exciting announcement as well. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway of some of the items on here that I reviewed, and I'm also gonna leave a link. I feel like I've said this 1,000 times, but I'm gonna leave a link to make it easier in case there was something you like. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on some of the items I reviewed. All right, so I'll be doing a giveaway to maybe 2 or 3 persons, I'm not sure, but make sure you comment and subscribe and share and like all of those things, and you just might get what you want. Like, you have to just comment which of the items you like or you want to get or stuff like that, so you might get it. So that's it for that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye.